Hi guys, I have come again with my new video. I hope you are having a wonderful time at this moment if you are watching my video. If I'm gonna talk about this one, when I woke up early morning, I thought that I have to make a new videos just about it. That how to be happy in our life. What about successful people? What they have to do. And I can say that if you are watching at this moment, just use headphone and earphone. By that you can make concentrate. If you don't have any kind of stuff related to this one, just go outside and try to make concentrate. Try to catch each every point. So let's start with much of and Yuvraj Rana. If you people are new here, so just you have to start with press the ringing bell, hit the subscribe button. By that you can see all the new notifications related to my video, related to village vlogs. So I'm just talking about this one, that how to be happy in our life. Why we are not happy in our life? What is the reason behind it? What about the successful people, what they have to do? Like, if I'm going to talk about this one, I don't think so about this one, that if you have a big amount of money and you have a success and you think that you are happy. I don't think so about this one. What's the real happiness? I can say that it's wake up early morning, be in a great mood. You're gonna think about this one. I'm gonna help at least one people in a day, in a one day. It's the real happiness. And if I'm gonna speak about today, some of my closest friends, they are not doing well. They don't have any kind of goal like me, because everyone knows here about me that I don't have a till now. I don't have any kind of goal to make my dream to get success. But every time I do hard, I study because I know about this one, that one day I'll have my day. And I'm gonna talk about my friend. They don't have any kind of goal, and they're just suffering to this kind of problems. Some of family problems. They are not living their life in the best way. They are not feeling freedom. But I can say that don't think hard about this one, because one day you'll have your day. And don't think hard about people, because if I'm gonna talk about people, it's most popular proverbs. A bad workman always blame his tools, and they're gonna suggest you why you are not doing well, something like that. It's not like that. I can say that's too hard. If I'm gonna talk about success far away to us, we have to do hard till that we are not able to get. And I'm gonna suggest you, dear, just don't think hard about this one. One day you're gonna get success, but I can say that today you have to live your life. You have to start your day being in a great mood. You're gonna think that you can get success, and you have to hard, and you're gonna hard about this one. Doesn't matter if you have no any kind of goal or not. I'm not pretty sure. I can't speak more and more about this one, because I'm also suffering through this kind of problem, that how to be happy. But every time I think that if I'm gonna live my life for other people, that I can happy, because at least if I'm gonna help you and something like that, I'm gonna help another guy, that I'm gonna feel happy to inside. So that's why I don't think so about this one. Just think positive and be polite with people, but that you can happy. Tell me, just trust me.